Hi everyone. To make this flower, I'm using yellow yarn. This is a medium weight 4 yarn. The recommended hook size for crochet is 6.5 millimeter crochet hook. So I'm taking the crochet hook appropriate for that, and then some lightweight yarn. I'm taking this lightweight yarn just to get this texture at the border, because we will first make petals like this and then we will fold it at one side and we will sew. So just to get this texture, I am using this lightweight yarn. You can go ahead and use same weight yarn, but this texture might not be very prominent like this one, but you can go ahead and use the same weight yarn, no problem. So I have taken the hook that is appropriate for this yarn size, and a scissor and a big eye needle for final finishings. And first we need to make a petal like this. So for that, I'll show you what to do. We will start by making a magic ring. To make a magic ring, hold your yarn like this and then slowly wrap it around your two fingers like this. You can see the X shape formed here. So insert the hook underneath this yarn, slowly grab the other yarn outside and hold it like this. And now take the working yarn slowly out, and this creates a magic circle. You can easily adjust the circumference of your circle by pulling the tail just like this. And now we will make chain 2. 1, 2, chain 2, and after making chain 2, we will make 16 double crochet inside this magic circle. So to make a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook inside the circle, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the next 2 loops. So make 16 double crochet like this inside this circle, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. After making 16 double crochet, we will slip stitch on top of the first double crochet we made at the beginning of this row. So drag the tail of the magic ring so that the loops are closer to each other. And now we will change color. Take the pink yarn and take the hook size appropriate for that yarn size. After changing the color, we chain 1 and slip stitch inside the next stitch. We will chain 1 and slip stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch. As you can see, I'm getting this texture at the border. So we repeat the same thing. Chain 1, insert the hook inside the next chain gap, yarn over and pull up a loop, and then slip stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch. So we started here, and when we come to the middle, you need to give this peak. So when we fold the petal like this, to get this sharp edge, we will now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 3 and slip stitch in the same chain gap. So insert the hook, yarn over and slip stitch. So this creates a sharp peak. And now chain 1 and slip stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch. Chain 1. So repeat the same till you reach the end. So I'm at the end. Now we will slip stitch where we started. So and then chain 1 and cut your yarn and slowly remove this. So you have to drag the tail of the magic ring tight. So the hole at the middle is not very prominent. And now we will make 6 such petals. So I have so far made 2. So I'll be making 4 more. So make such petals, 6 such petals. And at the end, I'll show you how to sew them together. You just need to weave these tails. I made total 6 petals. Now we need to sew them pinching one side like this. So to make that, hold your petal like this and keep your thumb like this. And then I have inserted some pink yarn into the needle, and now we need to sew exactly here. You should sew them equally. So keep your thumb for measurement, one thumb, and then insert your hook here and here. Same from that side and from this side. And now we will tie a knot. This is just to hold that shape. tie a permanent knot and trim the excess yarn. So follow the same for the rest, and I'll show you how to sew them together. To sew them together, I have taken some long length of yarn and then slowly insert one by one like this. Arrange them properly, drag them closer and tie a knot. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such contents. Thank you.